Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Hot Bella experience. In today's video, you guys, I am going to be talking about my thinning hair. And this could be a challenge or an issue for a lot of you, so I thought that it would be a good idea for me to make this video and to talk to you guys about a couple of products that I've been trying out. I like having some versatility when it comes to my hair because I do all types of things with my hair. I wear wigs, I wear braids, I wear my natural hair. It just depends on where I'm going, what I'm doing, what my mood is, all those types of things. But the most important thing is that I want to try to keep my hair as healthy as possible as I'm going through all the things that I'm going through right now. So for me, my thinning hair, a part of it is hereditary. And then another part of it I think is actually hormonal. Based upon my particular age group, having hormonal hair thinning is quite common. My hair thinning can also be a side effect of the thyroid medication that I take. But either way, I want to address the needs of my natural thinning hair. And then I also wanted to try out a product that would help me when I'm wearing my wigs or if I'm wearing some other type of protective hairstyle where I've got some portion of my hair out where that area that I'm leaving out doesn't appear to be so thin when I'm wearing, say, like my wig units and such like that. So I'm going to be sharing those things with you today. The first item that I want to talk to you guys about is from Bread. This is what the packaging actually looks like. And I picked this up from Sephora. You guys, I actually did do some shopping during the most recent Sephora BIB sale. I just didn't do a haul video. I know I should have, but I had so many other things going on. I didn't have a chance to do the haul video, but trust me, you guys are going to be seeing all the things that I purchased right here on the channel, so it's coming. But this is what the actual bottle looks like. And this is described as a lip gloss, but for the hair. So at the same time as my hair is thinning, I also find that it can be a little bit on the dry side. I'm starting to get a little bit more gray in my hair. And you guys know that with gray hair, it just kind of does what it wants to do, or at least that's what mine does. I can't control it. It's got its own texture. It has its own mind. So I just want to try to work with it. And I want to try to make certain, again, that my hair is staying moisturized. I'm doing so many things with it. You know, I'm braiding it up. I'm wearing it down. I'm doing all these things. So that's where this hair oil is coming in. I like how this does give my hair a gloss or a shine. And on the Bread website, it states that this is a multi-use hair gloss for everyday wear. It ramps up shine without silicones or sticky residue and smells like strawberry lip smackers. On the website, Bread also offers some information about why they made this particular product. And it says, and this product was made to soften and moisturize strands and to give your hair the ultimate gloss. It treats your damage and helps you to style, all without the need for heavy silicones. It's a blend of mid-weight oils that work for both low and high porosity hair. It's a multitasker and it's described as the everyday everything, the ultimate gloss. This hair oil is suitable for curls and texture, and it's here for all hair that needs a drink. And the recommended use for this product is to run the hair oil through wet hair after the hair mask or between washes to reboot shine. I don't have the hair mask, I'm only using the oil itself. On wash day, slather all over dry hair and scalp as a pre-wash intensive treatment. So far, I've only used this with my hair dry, but I will try also using it as the pre-wash. I think that that would really help because as my hair is thinning, it is getting to be quite dry. So I wanted to share this with you guys. I did use this product today on my hair, and you know, it does give it the gloss or the shine that I really like. You know, it doesn't look dull. So I'm liking this quite a bit. Again, I picked this up at Sephora during the BIB sale. And then I've also been trying another product. This is called Flourish, and it's from Sunday to Sunday because as you can see, my edges are starting to thin right in here. This is a hereditary spot, right? This is one of those things that I think has been affectionately passed down to me. And I'm also thinning a little bit around here. Sometimes this is my typical hairstyle, right? Where I'm pulling it back. I may be adding an extension ponytail here, or I might wear my own hair. And I've been using this now for maybe 30 days. And I actually think I might be seeing some progress in this area. Let me show you guys on this other side here because we're going to be doing some hair stuff here today. So I'm going to go ahead and take this braid down so you guys can get a better idea of the actual challenges I'm trying to address by using these products. So again, here you can see where I'm thinning here all down through here. You can also see a little gray that's popping up in there. But on this side as well, you can see I'm getting a little thin up in here. But I'm also starting to see a little growth in here as well, you know, which is really encouraging. I hope the camera is picking this up, but that's really encouraging because this at one particular point was pretty smooth, but you know, I'm starting to see a little growth in there. So again, just want to, you know, just kind of bring a little fullness back to my hairline if possible. So with the Edge Flourish, you just twist the cap to open it up. And this is like a gel, and I just rub it in to my hairline. And I really have been liking this. It does not have a smell to it at all. It kind of softens up the edges as well. And I just work it in there and let it do its thing. I don't use a whole lot of it, but just enough. Yeah, so just work it into the edges really good. And I've been using this, like I said, for about 30 days, and I think I'm starting to see a little something here. So just to give you a little bit more information about this product, it's good for damage, it's good for dryness, it's vegan, it's good for curly hair, it's good for thinning hair, and it's good for flaky, dry scalp. So this is a really, really good product. I am looking forward to see what other results I get from this product, but so far really happy with it and wanted to share it with you guys. And then this next item I wanted to share with you guys is something that has been on the market for quite some time. You probably have heard of this product before. It can be used by men and women. And when I say men and women, I've seen men use it for their beard and it looks really, really nice. But women can use it also, and it's called Toppiks. And these are hair fibers. On the Toppiks website, it says that this is an award-winning hair building fiber. It says the natural keratin hair fibers make thin hair look thicker and fuller instantly. It's available in 9 shades. Again, it can be used by men and women. On the website, they also give you some statistical type of information as to why users love it. 93% says the Toppik makes them look younger and more attractive. 90% agree that the Toppik is natural looking. And 96% would recommend Toppiks to others. And they also have some before and after pictures on the Toppiks website. So I purchased the actual fibers themselves, and then as part of the recommended application for applying the fibers, it was recommended that you use this little tool. So let me show you what this looks like. So the first thing is this little guide here. Okay, so this would be something that you would put like right here in the area where you want to make your hairline look a little bit thicker, and you would spray the fibers in this area, and this guide would help to make it look more natural. And then you also have this little pump type of applicator. This has been recommended to use with the fibers because you could just shake it out like this, but you could end up with a lot more patchiness. You know, it wouldn't be as even, maybe not look quite as natural. You'd have to, you know, try to rub it in or do some other things. Whereas using the fibers with this little applicator, which screws right on top of this, it should help it to go on more evenly. So we're going to give it a try. I am going to be installing this wig today. This is a V-part wig, as you can see here. And to install this wig, it's going to require that I leave a portion of my hair out so I can blend in with it. And also for me, one of the thinning areas is around my hairline and then the top part of my hair in this area here, which is the area that I'm going to have to leave out. So that's where this Toppiks hair fiber is going to come into place. So I'm going to go ahead and prep my hair for the install of this gorgeous wig. This wig is from Eunice, and I've got a video that's coming up where I'm going to show you a little bit more about these V-part wigs, but today this is the one that I'm going to be installing. So I'm going to go ahead and get my hair prepped so I can install the wig and use my Toppiks fibers. So I've parted off a section right here. I'm gonna go ahead and twist this up just to keep it out of the way. So this is also where the challenge comes in for me because my hair is thinning right in here. So this is where we're gonna see. Hopefully this Toppiks is going to help me so that it won't appear to be so thin in this area once I get my unit on. So I think we're ready to apply this wig. And then we're going to apply our Toppiks to my thinning area up here. So this is what this looks like. The center part of my hair is where I'm thinning. So if I hold my head down here, so you can see like right in there, right here all throughout this part, I'm looking just a little bit thin right in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try using the Toppiks, okay? I have to twist off this little sifter here from the actual container here. And then I am going to screw this one on, like so. You can see that. Okay, I'm gonna take this little piece of paper right here. This came off of one of the boxes. I think this came off of, it came off of this box, okay? So I'm going to use this because I don't want all of the fibers just to go everywhere. I want it to be controlled. So, and I don't want the fibers to go onto my scalp. I want it to stay strictly on the hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with this side first. So you can see right there, the part that I'm trying to fill in. And I'm going to take this and I'm just going to gently just spray that in that area right there. Okay, just like that. And you can see how that just kind of filled in the lighter spots. Let me take my comb here and just kind of blend that in a little bit. I need some right there. So I'm going to put this right back here, bring it down just a little bit more and get that little spot right there. This is the side that I've done versus this side where you can still see a little bit more of the open areas. So I'm going to flip my card around here and I'm going to do this side. Put this over the part, trying to make sure I don't get it on the part. So just like that. Okay, taking my comb again. I want my part to stay crisp. Okay, I'm gonna do just some regular hairspray, I think, because the regular hairspray is supposed to help the fibers to stick. So let me do that. I've got a little bit of this Tresemme Extra Hold. So I'm gonna just put just a little bit, just right up in here. That's drying down. But can you guys see a difference? Does it look like it's a little thicker in this area here? I think it is. And I think that's just what I needed for, you know, to help me with my little challenge that I have with my hair thinning. I like that. What do you guys think? So this is my first time ever trying this. This is my first time ever using Toppiks hair fibers. And, you know, I think that I may be on to something. I don't think I did too bad for my first time. I do like to wear my hair in a ponytail from time to time, so it'll be interesting when I pull it back. You know, when I get to the edges around here, right? I'm going to try, you know, using it there, and that should also fill it in. I'll be sure to use this guide though with that. Maybe I'll come back and show you guys what that looks like. If you're interested, let me know in the comments below, and I'll definitely do that. But these are the products that I'm trying out right now to help me with my hair thinning problem, challenge, if you will. So again, it's the Bread Hair Oil. I'm using this on my natural hair. And then I'm using the Edge Flourish on my natural hair. And then to help me with the filling in with my unit, as you guys just saw with this demonstration, I'm using the Toppiks. and I think I may be onto something. So you can purchase the Bread and the Sunday to Sunday hair products from Sephora. I purchased the Toppiks from Ulta. You can probably purchase it online, Amazon. Might be able to pick it up at Walmart even for that matter. I'm not certain, but you know, I mean, still, if you're interested, know that this is out there and that this could help you out. You know, if you're going out someplace, you know, special event around family, friends, whatever the case may be, and you know, you've maybe have been experiencing a little bit of hair thinning, and you know, it can kind of make you feel a little self-conscious sometimes. You know, Toppiks hair fibers may be the answer to that. So yeah, looks pretty good. So I hope you guys like this video. I'm gonna go put on some makeup with this hair. Okay, I need to finish off this look, but I do hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.